Hey, you web travelers! Today we're opening Lucky Goddess. Let's get straight to it. The box is alright. It's not that special. We have seen more special boxes. We open this and we see some special packs. Oh, that's probably some promo pack that goes with the box. That's cool. Okay, from the looks of it, I'm pretty sure those are thick. So do with that information what you want. I'm not a big fan of thick cards, only if they're executed very good, but it doesn't happen too often, sadly. Then we have also this, which looks promising, not gonna lie. I'm gonna start with the normal pack and then we're gonna open the promo pack. I can't open this pack, holy shit. Alright. There are more than 3, there are 4, that's cool. And they're thick. And not the only other thick, they're very interesting to look at. I'm not gonna lie, that's some interesting card. I don't know where this is from, alright. Then there we have the back again. Got a story. Okay, it's not a God story. I mean, it's kinda God story. You can watch the explanation of God story somewhere on my channel. Nice shine. I mean, yeah, what the fuck? Okay, there may be 3. What the fuck? Okay, there were 3 cards, it's just this one is... what? Dude, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure this would be mega special, right? You can tell me that this is like some normal card that you can get. Wait a second. Look at that. That is epic. Holy shit. I haven't expected this whatsoever. Dude, this is amazing. Okay, like, I feel sad that there are only 3 cards and not 4. But this? What the fuck? That's awesome. Let's open the promo pack. I don't think promo pack can get more epic than this. I don't think it's just GG. That's the best card. This one is very thick. It's like a freaking piece of chocolate. I told you, it does not get better than this. Shit, man, I should have started with this. But how am I supposed to know? Alright. Guys, check out my coffee page. Not only you can find there how to get a free promo pack, but also you can be the legendary web traveler to sponsor this channel only with the 1 coffee. That's all it takes to get me going and to buy more epic shit to review it for you guys. So go ahead, check it out. If you don't want to, that's alright. Okay, never mind. There are more SP cards. So that's not that special then? Oh, I'm so confused. But this one is kind of cool though. Okay. Dude. I mean, girl. No, okay. What do we have here? Oh my god, I need the piece of paper back. Pepper. Pepper. I'm gonna use this. Oh my god. That's kind of cool. That's cool. I think it's kind of interesting to see some new takes on special card. But now I'm very curious to see if there will be some puss in this pack. And as I already can see, there is some puss. I meant to say if there will be another CP. But from the feels of the bag, that's not a CP of the bag. So maybe I will only end up with 2. This trick is kind of special from... Genshin Impact. We have Android 18. Alright. It looks a little bit kind of Naruto, but like style of Naruto, but alright. I didn't expect it to be Android 18. Very good. Anya Forger, but then a little bit grown up with some lollipops. Alright. Damn, this one is thick. Holy shit. Oh, we have another CP from the feels of it. So it's not that special. That's sad. I see some pattern that I kinda enjoy. Okay. Yeah, about enjoying things. I see some Genshin Impact. Let's see it more clearly. God damn, son. Looking hella fire. Cool, I don't know why I displayed them there. Because they're obviously not that special in this... Ow! In this box. Alright. Wait, what? I skipped one. How the fuck did I skip one? There's thick difference. Look at that. That's insane. But I skipped also a very good one. Look at that. That's a nice ultra rare. I take it. If you're interested to buy this box, you can find the seller that I personally buy from at my Ko-fi page. Just throwing it out there, because there will be questions, I know that. There's your answer. May. Man, where she's from, because she looks very familiar. Especially those boobas, I mean, look at them. Very familiar. Okay, ooh, alright, that's an, yeah. There was a scene in anime, and I think it got a lot of young boys going to the certain direction of hentai. We have 4 packs left. I'm still waiting to see some mega epic card, and I don't know if I got one yet. First double, which sucks because there are only 3 cards in the box, but if that would be the only double, I don't mind. We have an amazing ultra rare. Holy shit, I love the black and white. Damn. Alright, and we have something special, which is very freaking thick for no reason at all, but just to indicate that this is special. Wait, what the fuck? Also, there's like this thing there. I think it's supposed to be numbered, because the normal cards don't have it. Does the other thick cards have it also? Oh, they have it also. Never mind, it's not supposed to be numbered, I don't know why. From the design point of view, I don't really like this name and her face there. It would be a little bit better if it was more to the left, like you have some room here which is not used at all. And here you had her, so like now you're covering important parts, you know. But it looks kind of cool. Although I don't feel like it's... I felt this was very special. Maybe because I haven't seen something like this by other boxes. But also the style of it is very cool. Like it's... if you go to the anime church or something, those are the windows that you will see there. But it doesn't feel special. You fucked up a little bit on this one. But so far I'm actually satisfied with this box. I didn't expect that to be the case. We have some doubles, okay, about the satisfaction. It got a little bit less. We have again the very thick card. Don't tell me it's another double. It is. Okay, the satisfaction is going down by a huge bit. We have Sakura here. Very cool. Very nice pull. And we have another BP, okay. And it's Kanroji Mitsuri from Demon Slayer. But she doesn't have a face here, because the name is long enough, apparently. See, there's also no consistency with BP, so I'm not very sold on BP cards. Last pack! Oh my god, I can't open it. Jesus. Let's cut it. What do we have here? We have some green, so there's the oh yeah baby, that's what I'm talking about. Chainsaw Man. HR is the rarity with spread legs. So the more you know. I don't know, Uchis, it's Naruto, I don't care. That's new rarity, first of all, is Or. Short for Or. That's a character that I do really like, so I mean, okay, you got me there, It's a numbered card? You kidding me? It's also the green one, so I haven't expect anything from it when I got the bag, but I didn't see the number then. But it's apparently numbered. So that is a very special card. Holy shit! Look at that. If you have opened this box, and if you will open this box, return to this video and tell to me, please, how many of CP cards did you got? And did you got a numbered card? Because I mean, they can put anything in here, it would mean nothing. But if it's very rare and a lot of people come back and say, well, I opened the box, I didn't get a numbered card, well, then your boy TCG Comrade got very lucky. This was a very special box in my opinion. We had some ups and downs, but mostly ups, and very interesting new kind of rarity. Thank you for watching, and I see you in another one. Web Travelers.